Hey Fearless Mamas, welcome to day 1 of Rewire Your Mind About Birth Challenge. Over the next 5 days, we are going to deprogram and reprogram some of the most common limiting beliefs about birth. These are beliefs that often work quietly in the background, shaping how you think and how you feel and even how your body prepares for birth. Each day we'll take one of these beliefs and look at where it came from and gently rewire your mind so your body can prepare for birth with more trust, safety, and possibility. Today we're starting with one of the most common limiting beliefs, and that is that birth is scary and dangerous. Maybe you've seen it in movies, maybe you've overheard it in stories or absorbed it from culture around you. And so when these messages are constantly being repeated, they sink into your subconscious mind and your body starts preparing for them as if it were true, as if they were your story. But the good news is your brain is not fixed. Through neuroplasticity, you can rewire these thoughts and replace them with ones rooted in trust instead of fear. And it all starts with awareness, because you cannot transform what you cannot see. And if you want to take this deeper, this 5-day challenge is just the beginning of my 21-day journey inside the Rewired Mama bundle, where we rewire your mind and co-create your dream birth and the mother you were born to be. Because the thoughts you rehearse become the behaviors you live. Your subconscious is where your beliefs become hormones, where thoughts shape action, and where vision becomes reality. It's neuroscience. Just like Olympic athletes and high performers rehearse some of their biggest moments before they happen, you can train your subconscious to create the birth that you want to experience. Think present, peaceful, connected. So over the next 4 days, we'll keep building these new pathways. But for now, let's begin day 1. There's a part of me that believes birth is scary and dangerous. Maybe that belief came from someone else's fear. Maybe I absorbed it through media or childhood stories. I'm just noticing it today, and I don't have to keep it. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your shoulders drop. Inhale, I breathe in trust. Exhale, I breathe out fear. I breathe in trust. I breathe out fear. Trust. Fear. One more time. Let the breath create space. Let your body begin to listen to something new. Let your body soften in jaw, neck, back, and belly. Visualize warm golden light rising gently from your womb. This is safety from within. This is truth surfacing. Say, birth is safe. I am safe. My womb holds peace. Just let that image deepen like a warm tide washing over your nervous system. Birth is safe. I am safe. My womb holds peace. Visualize yourself in labor. You're slow, present, and grounded. Your breath leads. Your body opens without force. Say out loud, I ride on top of the waves. Birth is unfolding within me, not happening to me. God is here. I am not afraid. Visualizing yourself in labor, grounded, present, and slow. Your body opens and your breath leads. Place one hand on your womb, the other on your heart. Feel the warmth, the rhythm, the design. Say, thank you, breath. Thank you, body. Thank you, truth. The affirmation I want you to carry is, birth is safe and sacred inside of me. You hold the blueprint within. Exit fear-based birth and birth in your divine blueprint within. Thank you, breath, body, and baby. What you just experienced was reforming patterns that are going to shape your birth. In just a few minutes, you shaped your subconscious a new message, one rooted in peace and surrender. This is how transformation truly begins. Inside, where your mind starts creating the patterns that your body will always follow. Hang with me, let me share this with you. Inside the Rewired Mama Bundle, you'll receive a beautifully written, science-rooted guide to understand how your brain forms patterns and how to change them through neuroplasticity. You'll explore the subconscious layers that shape your birth and even your motherhood. And that's where you'll learn the 4-step process to the rewiring practice. There's also going to be a cinematic 20-minute meditation designed to imprint patterns of trust, peace, and confidence in your birth and your motherhood. Also, my Peaceful Birth film, a raw and real example of what it's like to birth with the rewired mind, and it anchors in peace just by the power of witnessing. And of course, the complete 21-day challenge, each one replacing fear-based belief with breath to calm the nervous system, the dreamlike theta state to access the subconscious mind, mental rehearsal to evoke feelings that will eventually become second nature to you, and sinking into gratitude that will strengthen your new blueprint to embodiment. You've already begun the rewiring process. Now, let's finish together.